Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove access token in your BitGo account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see a profile icon. Click on it. Then select Enterprise Settings option. After that, you will see 4 different tabs here. Go to Developer Options tab. Now you can see your token you have created here. At the right hand side of your screen, you can see Remove button. Click on it. Then again confirm it from here. So you can see that your access token has been removed. So that is how you can remove your access token in BitGo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.